What's up, world? It's your boy Mark Clyde. Time to rise and fly.
Welcome, y'all. We back in the sky, and this time follow us as we fly through the Clearwater Beach area. Our first stop is the island estates that share the water between Belleair Bridge, where Harbor Bluffs, Belleair Bluffs, and Belleair Beach have their own slice of the city. With a population of just around 1,500 as of 2022, this thin strip of paradise has a median property value of $2 million and is home to some of the largest sea turtles on the coast. Belleair Shore is just a stone's throw away from Indian Rocks Beach, where there is no shortage of activities. You can find Splash Harbor Water Park at the beginning of this waterway. Next, we head over to the Prickly Pear Point Islands and the Belleair Bluffs area. These islands provide secluded and peaceful luxury for its residents, with exciting nightlife just around the bend at Clearwater Beach up the street. Flying west across Belleair Bridge and north up Gulf Boulevard, we find a number of prime beachfront palaces with price tags to match. With crystal blue waters and fine white quartz beaches with sand cool to the touch, it's no wonder why the Gulf beaches are constantly ranked among the best in the country. A little farther up the road, there's a fine collection of hotels, condos, and restaurants that line the coast near Sandkey Park. a sand key bridge, we catch the first sight of the world famous Clearwater Beach. One of the jewels of the Clearwater Strip, the Opal Sands Resort features awesome panoramic views of the Gulf and stands as a beacon of modern design. Just a short ride takes us to Shepherd's Hotel and Nightclub, known for hosting world-class DJs and musicians, with infectious vibes and a backdrop that creates memories that will last a lifetime. We hope you enjoyed this short tour of the Clearwater Beach area. Be sure to join us again as we uncover more vacation-worthy destinations. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and until next time, peace.